Hello from Southern Ontario. It's May 13th today. Apes on Apes. This vid's for you, bud. He's a fellow on TikTok. I'll explain that in the summation. There's some humor in it. The thing is, the PHARMA for all here in Canada. Trudeau and Jagmeet Singh keep saying, I've brought, they argue who did it. PHARMA for all. The bill aims to provide universal single-payer coverage for contraception and diabetes medications. Now, there's a lot of confusion, buddy apes here. In Canada, insulin is covered under the provincial and territorial drug plans, which are part of the publicly funded healthcare system. Each province and territory has its own healthcare system, and diabetes medications may or may not be paid for to some degree or another, varying by province and territory. We're not going to get into the details of that. In some provinces there could be an age factor in that. This seems to create part of the confusion. Let's look where it actually is at. The PHARMA bill, Bill C-64. On May 7th, it passed committee. 177 yeas to 148 nays. So I'm assuming it's done in committee. This is all from the government website, by the way. So, assuming it's done in committee, it has yet to go to the Senate. And at the Senate, it will be debated. There could be amendments made or not. It could go back down to the House, or it could go forward to the House, where it will be again debated, voted on, and then will go to the Governor General for royal assent. The government states itself, the health minister, that they're hoping by the end of 2024 to have this well into motion. It's highly unlikely before the summer break that it's even going to come back from this or go forward from the Senate to the House. And at that point, again, this is from the government, the Canadian Drug Agency will work towards developing a national formulary, a national bulk purchasing strategy, and supporting the publication of a pan-Canadian strategy regarding the appropriate use of prescription medications. A committee of experts will make recommendations on the operation and financing of national universal single-payer PHARMA in Canada. It's a long way away. It's not there. It doesn't exist. Back to Apes on Apes, a TikToker popped up on my feed yesterday, and he was listing the 5 good things Trudeau's done for the country. One of them, PHARMA. I said, PHARMA is a proposal for a study. He said, no, it's not. This is bantering in the comments. He said, no, it's not. I know somebody who's got it. And I said, well, no, you're probably mixing up provincial and federal, or perhaps tampons and condoms. And I spelled condom intentionally as dumb, right? With a U. Well, that's why you're wrong. See your spelling, and I know for a fact, I'm wrong, okay? So, I typed back. I said, no, it hasn't even gone to the Senate. It's a long way away there, apes. And then I commented, are you going to, man up and make a retraction? Correct this in your videos, right? He just slagged me. So anyways, that's where it's at. And that's the intent of the video. Hi, apes. Do your research before you make videos. I mean, we all make mistakes, but when you do, you should correct it. That's misinformation, apes.